Summer Rae, born on September 15, 1996 in Colorado, USA, is a fitness model, social media personality, and former competitive bodybuilder. Growing up in a family immersed in fitness, Rae's passion for health and wellness began at a young age. At just 16 years old, Rae started competing in bikini bodybuilding competitions, coached by her father. Her dedication paid off when she won first place in both the teenage and classic D categories at the 2015 NPC Colorado State Championship. However, Rae soon left the competitive bodybuilding scene, citing the prevalence of performance-enhancing substances in the industry. Rae's fitness journey took a turn towards social media, where she began sharing her workouts and healthy lifestyle with her growing audience. With her relatable personality and stunning physique, Rae quickly amassed a massive following, boasting 24.5 million followers on Instagram and 12 million on TikTok as of May 2024. In addition to her social media success, Rae has also ventured in other business ventures. She co-hosted a podcast titled Oh Honey with Amanda Cerny, with focused on dating advice, and released 50 episodes in 2020. The following year, Rae promoted Save the Kids token, a charitable cryptocurrency altcoin. Despite her impressive achievements, Rae has faced challenges along the way. She has homeschooled until high school, but later dropped out at the age of 15 due to bullying. However, Rae's resilience and determination have been the driving forces behind her success.